Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's create a layout using grid system. I want to create another project file for this example. Let's copy our template, save it. We can close that one and close that section. And let's run our server one more time. So our new project is ready to use. First, I'm going to create a div for container and a row and our first column. Let's say logo. And I want to create another column for top menu. And I want to create another row. Div row and a column left side. And I want to create another column for main area. Main area. And lastly, I want to create another row for footer. Footer area. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see all our column and rows. Let's add some additional class names to make it better. Let's add background color for all columns, e.g. info, e.g. warning, e.g. danger, e.g. success, and e.g. secondary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our layout better. Let's add some more class name to make some changes. Let me make it a little bit wider for you guys. Let's start from our logo column. Text white and font weight bold and font size 1 and text center. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the changes. And then also I want to add minimum height for logo area. Style, minimum height 80 pixels. Let's save it. This is the 80 pixels for logo area. And let's add same class names for top menu area. I just need to copy that class names and style. We copy it all of them. And you just need to add here. As you see, same. Text white, font weight bold, size, text center, and minimum height 80 pixels. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our top menu is also ready. Let's have a look at left side. As you remember at the beginning, I added SM4. It is about having medium-sized screen. And I also want to add one more thing called MD4. That class name for small size screen, that class name for medium size screen. So, and I want to add same things here, call MD8. If you want, you can change that numbers. It is depends on your project guys, but total must be 12. 8 plus 4 makes 12. And let's add same class names. Text white, font weight bold, font size 1, text center. And also I want to add height, style, minimum height, 300 pixels. Let's add style for main area, text white, font weight bold, font size 1, display flex, align item center, and justify content center. In this way, we will make our text middle of our main area. I'll show it to you in a minute. Let me assign minimum height for this area too. Style, minimum height, 300 pixels. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our main area takes middle of our main area. We use deflex, align item center, and justify content center to do that. We will use that class names in our future projects. Let's add some other class name for footer area. Text white, font weight bold, font size 1, and text end. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, in this example, we see our text end of our row. So you can use that class name to place your text end of your column. Let's reduce width of our browser to have a look at responsiveness. You see guys, positions has changed because of size of our screen. When you change size of browser, they change their positions. So we can create sort of layouts by using grid. In our future tutorial, we will put navigation bar here, logo here, and some other things left side. We will put some content in main area, and we will use footer area as well. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.